Hello, welcome all of you in the channel of daily problem solving, and here we are going to solve the problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks. Find element occurring once while all other elements are present thrice. Okay, so this is our simple problem statement. Now we try to understand the problem using this simple given example. So in this example there are four elements in the array and our task is to find the element that present only once. Okay, so if we see one element is present three times in the array and 10 is only present one time, so we simply return 10. Okay, and in the next question, so there are 10 elements in the array. This is what 3 3 2 1 34 34 1 2 34 2 and 1. Okay, so if we see 3 is present only one time, and 2 is present thrice, 34 is present thrice, so we simply return 3. Okay, so this is our simple problem statement. Now we try to understand how to solve this question. Okay, now we take this array to understand this problem. Okay, so in this array there are four elements in the array. Okay, 1 10 1 and 1. Now question is how to solve the array. Okay, now we take a hash map in which we store every element and the frequency of the element. Okay, frequency of the element. Now our first element, now we try to iterate the array from 0th index. Okay, so first element is 1, so we add 1 in the array, and what is the frequency of 1 is what? Initially 1. Now second element is what? 10, so 10 is added in the hash map, and what is the frequency of 10 is what? 1. Now next element 1, but 1 is already present in the hash map, so what we do, we increment in the frequency of 1. Now the frequency is 1 what? 2. Now next element is 1, and 1 is already present in the hash map, so we increment in the frequency of 1. Now frequency is 3. Now while we iterate all the element in the array, so what we do, we iterate over this hash map. Now we check, first element is 1, and what is the frequency of 1 is what? 3. So this is not the element that we are trying to find. Okay, now next element is what? 10, and what is the frequency of what? 10 is 1. Now this is the element we trying to find. Okay, so 10 is the element and we return 10 in the answer of that question. So this is our simple question. Now we try to score this problem. Okay, so firstly what we do, we take a hash map integer integer, and what we do, I iterate over this array. Initial value I is what? 0, and we increment the I plus 1. Okay, now check if map dot contains key I, then what we do, we increment in the frequency of that element that is already present in the array. Okay, so what we do, we has map dot replace I and has map dot get I plus 1. Okay, now if this element is not present in the hash map, so what we do, we add this element in the hash map. Okay, so array I and 1. So our hash map is ready, in which we store all the element and the frequency of all the element. Okay, so now what is our next task? So we take a for loop to iterate over the hash map. Okay, for int I equal to 0, I and I plus plus. Okay, now we check frequency of each element. If hasmap dot get arri is double equal to what? 1. इफ अगर हमारे किसी एलिमेंट की फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 है तो हम सिंपली उस एलिमेंट को रिटर्न कर देंगे, एंड इफ हमारा कोई एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट ही नहीं है जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 है तो हम यहाँ लास्ट में -1 रिटर्न कर देंगे. सो दिस इज द कोड ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ वी ट्राइंग टू कंपाइल दिस कोड. ओके, so guys, code is compiled successfully. Now we try to submit that code. Okay, So guys, code is compiled and submitted successfully. Thank you for watching this video and follow for the next video on the upcoming question of Geeks for Geeks platform. Thank you so much.